Every fall, this boat show should be on every sailor's must-attend list. Welcome to Annapolis, Maryland, home to the largest in-water sailboat show in the U.S. In this video, we'll take you along with us as we board some highly anticipated new boat models, rub elbows with some sailing legends, and we'll discover some innovative companies doing things you might just see on our future adventures. If you're into sailing, cruising, or just dreaming about your next adventure, you're in good company. If it's your first time here, welcome. Here's a quick intro to who we are and what this channel is all about. Hey there, we're Jillian and Brian. Welcome to our channel. If you are into sailing, then you are in the right place. Our sailing adventures consist of bareboat charters, mile building trips, or jumping on a friend's boat for a fun weekend. We show the highlights of our trips as well as the hiccups. We are chasing our dream of buying our own catamaran and turning our passion into a full-time lifestyle. You can support our channel by subscribing, and we'll show you the cool places we go, the interesting ways we get there, and the amazing people we have shared the moments with along the way. This trip we flew into Baltimore, got a rental car, and made the short drive to Annapolis. Once you reach historic downtown, parking is very limited. So we did exactly what was recommended, and we parked at the Navy Marine Corps Memorial Stadium. There you can jump on a bus straight to the gates of the show. Parking here was $30, but the bus ride is free, and it's only about a 5-minute ride. And it also allows you to make a trip through downtown on the way. The bus will drop you right at the front gates to the show. We found a very long line about 15 minutes before the gate opened, but once they did, the lines moved very quickly. Alright, good morning everybody. We are here at Annapolis Boat Show. Today's the first day, so it's Thursday, and we're excited. The line has formed, and we're just waiting for the show to open so we can get in and see some boats. When you walk through the gate, make sure to grab a show guide. It's got the full list of all the boats on display, all the vendors you'll want to check out, and a handy map to help you navigate the show. Trust me, you're gonna want it. If you are serious about looking at boats, you can also find the list online and make an appointment with a broker before the show starts. Good morning from Annapolis. We are here ready to look at some boats. After a quick photo op with the famous Annapolis sign, we wasted no time heading straight to the list of boats we wanted to see. One of the best parts of the show is getting to hop on all kinds of boats, so don't be shy about it. We naturally gravitate towards catamarans just because they're our go-to for charters. While we aren't in the market to whip out a checkbook and purchase a boat just yet, touring boats is super important to us because it helps us choose the right charter boat that fits the unique needs of each group we sail with. And honestly, every time we come to a show, we walk away with a new favorite. It's all part of the fun. We toured so many boats there was no way we could fit them all into one video. So next week we're dropping a follow-up with some walkthroughs and our honest thoughts on which boats we loved and which ones didn't quite do it for us. If you don't want to miss it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you watched our last video, you know one of the boats we were looking forward to getting on was Wonderway, a 53-foot Royal Cape that was previously a crew charter boat in the Virgin Islands, and at the show we found out that she has recently been purchased and is about to start her new journey on a circumnavigation with her new owners. This boat is about as roomy as you can make a catamaran and is the closest thing you'll get to a floating condo. next stop was the Outremer catamarans. Unlike Wonderway, these boats are sleek, lightweight, and built for performance. If you have followed our channel, you know our love for sailing started on a sailing school in the Virgin Islands back in 2019. And Jack, the instructor on that trip, was at Annapolis promoting his business, Vagabonde Adventures. And they were announcing a new partnership with Outremer catamarans. We'll let him tell you about it himself.
Tell us all about the big announcement, man.
We have partnered with Outremer. Yeah, dude.
Yep.
Stoked.
Hey guys, so we're here with Jack Carger. So Jack was our first sailing instructor with Sailing Virgins. He's been appearing in a couple of our videos, but they're here in Annapolis with his company, Vagabonde Adventures, and they have a big announcement. So we're here at the Outremer booth, and if you want to talk about kind of what you guys do and what you guys offer and where you guys are at.
Awesome. Yeah, so we've just partnered with Outremer Catamarans. So we offer charters, training, and ASA instruction on Outremers. We run mostly out of the Abaco Islands in the Bahamas, and then we do some stuff in the Mediterranean as well, but we manage owners' boats and, yeah, sort of fun charters on fun boats, blast around, a good way to learn on a really responsive sort of fun boat. So, yeah, get in touch.
Yeah, Jack is a legend, phenomenal instructor. They have a great company, reputable sailing instruction. So if you guys are wanting sailing instruction or just a vacation, they offer both. But reach out to Vagabonde Adventures and yeah, take a trip with them.
Thanks, mate.
Awesome.
Alright, so we've looked at a few boats. Now we're headed over to Sophie's Crepes to grab some food. You got the goods?
I got the goods.
Rip bag.
Got two. You got what?
I got sausage, egg, and cheese, and the Nutella with strawberries and bananas.
You want this? You want that one, don't you?
Well, I want a bite of both. Yum.
Sophie's Crepes is a local staple and favorite of many that attend the show, and is one of several nearby places to grab coffee or a bite to eat. You can also choose to eat inside the show at the many options they provide.
How is it?
It's good. We're hungry.
Nutella and strawberries and bananas.
Besides the boats, be prepared to see anything and everything you could ever need for a boat. From rigging and electronics to sunglasses and clothing ranging from casual all the way up to foul weather gear for the most serious sailors. It's one of the best chances to see all the newest and coolest gear and gadgets up close, and talk directly with companies who make it.
Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it. That is a camera?
That is cool, man.
Tell me about your product.
Oh, this is a self-righting offshore life raft set to the 9650-1 ISO standard. It has insulated removable floor, full offshore equipment pack. Comes with pyrotechnics, water for your survivor gear.
Everything. And a kit?
Yep.
Gotcha. What's the lifespan of it?
We recommend you service it every 3 years. As long as you service it every 3, I warranty it for 12.
What's your company name?
Day Tracks.
Butterscotch REM.
Here we go.
Hi, welcome to the Rambler.
And then, of course, there are the charter brokers. If you're dreaming about your next sailing vacation, this is the place to start planning. And if you have watched our other videos, you know that you can get some special pricing at boat shows, so be sure to stop by and see what kind of deals they are offering. You'll find all the big names like the Moorings and Horizon Yacht Charters, but there are also plenty of independent brokers who specialize in unique destinations or custom trips. It's a great opportunity to sit down face to face, ask the questions about what kind of charters their companies offer, pricing, and find boats that fit the needs of your crew the best. We always leave these chats with plenty of vacation ideas. That's what makes the Annapolis show so special. It's not just about looking at boats. For us, it's staying curious, connecting with fellow sailors, and always dreaming up the next big adventure.
Thanks, sir.
Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming video showing what boats we liked from the show, plus all the sailing adventures we've got ahead. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life. My boots and briefcase are waiting at the door.